Hello everyone, welcome to Creativespace. Today we are going to talk about Creativespace, Chrome extensions, Mozilla extensions, and Microsoft Edge. Yes, you heard that right. And apart from website, applications, and Google Doc data. Now, also complementing each other, every single tool of ours present in one place will help you save time. For example, you are a student, professionals, researchers, content creators, marketers, any individuals who love to write, who has to write and use this tool. For example, Paraphraser. You have a content in your mind, but as soon as you paste it onto ChatGPT, it becomes here. Obviously, you know that. Now, use Creativespace Paraphraser. Choose the tool that you want. Once you have done that, choose the tool. If you feel that we don't have that tool, go for custom. Write the word that you feel like and perfectly suited. Our tool, without changing the meaning, will paraphrase it for you. It will help you in paraphrasing any content that you have, be it for a marketers, content creators, students, assignments, essays, reports. You can use Paraphraser. Now, once that is done, go for Grammar Checker to make sure the paraphrase content is proper and grammatically correct. Your credibility is not armed. Communication is the key integral part for any individual. Now, once you fix all the grammar, you need to make sure you are getting summarized version of the content. For example, you are a student. You need to understand what kind of report I am generating in a form of paragraph or bullet points. You can do that. Also, you can choose a summary then, short, medium, long. Once that is done, go for tonality. Multiple tonality options is right here. Yes, you heard that right. For example, you are a lawyer, go for conclusion. You are a student, go for academic. You are a publisher, go for news article. You are a IT individual, go for technical. You want to understand the data. You are a data analyst, go for analytical. Now, once that is done, once the Chrome extension is done, you can also use it for emails, just in case you have a content that you have to mail. Write the subject line, Creativespace, the best. Now, once that is done, our tool will automatically convert the content that you have directly from main, copy the content. You like to make sure go for paraphraser. You want to rewrite it. Paraphrase. Our tool will paraphrase it for you right in one particular place as conveyed. Now, once that is done, paste it. Our tool will paraphrase it for you. That is the power of our tool. Now, let's move to Mozilla Firefox Extension. Now, let's go ahead with Translator. Over here, you are a student from different country, studying in India or US or UK, Australia, Singapore, Canada, anywhere. You can translate to multiple different languages. You know the best part? It won't change the meaning of it. Yes, you heard that right. I can auto-detect the language. Okay, that is the normal part. Now, if I want to translate to 3 different languages for the same content, yes, you heard that correct. That is the power of our tool. Without changing the meaning, not even ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or any other AI tool or translator tool does that. Summarizer with translator, you need to make sure the translated content is proper. Use Summarizer to make sure whatever translated content you have got is proper or not. Our tool will summarize it accordingly. Once that is done, you can also choose the summarizer words as well. For example, there's 1,000 word for a student or a professional. I want it to be within 30 words. I can summarize it easily. Now, once that is done, I can also choose Paraphraser to make sure there's a certain words within the translator I don't like. Paste the content, paraphrase it. I would like to make sure the synonym level of the words is high. I can do that. Yes, you heard that correct. Choose the level of synonyms, or also, if I want, okay, choose the word differently. Why click on it? Simple. It's done. It is that easy. Once this is done, Chrome extension, Mozilla extension, same goes for email. Paste the content that you have. You need to make sure the content that you have pasted is proper. Go for grammar checker as well once again. Or for example, you want to use translator for the same content. Let's use that. You have paraphrased, you have summarized. Now I'm doing it again in different language. It will be done without changing the meaning. That is the best part. Paste it. It is done and finished. Creativespace is the best. It is done. Now, let's move ahead with Microsoft Edge. Over here, we are going to understand how we can use this for research papers individuals as well. For example, this is the content that I would like to make sure it is not plagiarized. I can do that. I'll just go on to Plagiarism Checker, paste the content, and the whole plagiarism content will be shown in one place. It provided me with the 100% correct sources. Now, once the plagiarized content is done, you can also go for AI detector. Paste the content to make sure your content was AI generated. you need to be aware about it. So you can download this as a form of report and send it to the individuals so that it can be properly checked. See, it's 100% AI. Now, what you can do is change the content accordingly. You need to make sure of that. Now, once this is done, go for Citation Generator to make sure all the content that you have, your links are properly cited. Every single content beat, just paste the link and our tool will cite it for you. You can go for auto and manual with multiple citation styles options available in one place. Copy citation and copy in text option is both available. Artwork, source type, median, composition year, archive, librarian, museum, country, region, city, annotation, every single thing is in one place. You have got multiple source type right in one place. The same content that you have put over here, you can just paste the content, go for email, paste it. Now, when this is done, you can paraphrase it as well. If you want to understand the summarizer of the mail that you have put in, paste the content. Over here, summarizer will help you in that particular front. Once this is done, go for translator. Other individuals from different country. You can make sure to translate into that language and send it accordingly without changing the meaning. Yes, you got that right. It's that easy. Use it anywhere. Email, Google Doc, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, anywhere you feel like. Chrome extension, Microsoft Edge, applications, website, Google Doc add-on, making writing accessible for everyone.